to my YouTube channel. My name is Ankita. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, branch CSCI, section Infinity, semester first semester, subject Civil. Topic asymmetric plane figure to locate its centroid. Now you have to find the centroid. Determine the position of the centroid for the lamina with a circular cutoff as shown in the figure. You can see the figure, right? In that we have to find the centroid of each figure. Next we are going to see about the center of that triangle, quadrant and rectangle. Now we have to find the center of these components. Now I have found the component center. First one is rectangle. This side is b by 2 and depth is d by 2, breadth is b by 2, and next quadrant. In x-axis it is 4r by 3 pi, in y-axis is 0 by 2. Next about triangle, it's in y-axis it's b by 3 and in x-axis it's h by 3. Next in y-axis it's 60 mm and in x-axis it's d by 2. Come, let's going to solve the problem of centroid. Now we have to make the table first. First components, area, distance of centroid from x-axis, mm. Next, moment of area about x-axis of of ay cube. Distance of centroid from y-axis y Next, xmm. Moment of inertia about y-axis ax cube. Components we have rectangle, semicircle, triangle, circle. First one, rectangle. I have taken the component first as rectangle. Rectangle area formula b into d, 120 into 100. How we don't know how 120 into 100. Its breadth is 120 and its depth is 100. So we got 120 into 100, 12,000. Next we have to next I have taken the component as semicircle. Semicircle is pi r square by 2, formula of area. Now I am going to calculate the area of semicircle. Pi r value is 50 square by 2. So I got 3427.99. Next I am going to calculate our third component. Third component I have taken as triangle. Half into its area is half into base into height, half into its base is 120 and its height is 60. So I got 36,000. Next I am going to explain you about circle. Inside the circle is that's why I am going to explain. It's is equals to its area formula. Area of circle is pi r square is equals to pi into 20 square. We will get minus 126.6. Next I am going to explain the distance of centroid from x-axis. I have shown in last figure d by 2, b by 2, that and all. Now I am going to explain. For rectangle it's d by 2, depth by 2 is equals, its depth is 100 by 2 is equals to 50. Semicircle is d by 2, 100 by 2 is equals to 50. 100 by 2 is equals to 50. For this, for triangle, 100 plus h by 3 in h by 3, 100 into 1 by 3 into h. We got 120. Next I am going to calculate the circle. Circle is equals to 100 by 2. 100 by 2 is equals to 50. Next I am going to explain A into Y. Now we have calculated area and about Y axis. Now we have to multiply A and this Y. A into Y. 12,000 into 50. 60,000. Next 3927.99 into 50. 196 399.5. Next this two. For triangle 36,000 into 120. 432,000. Next circle. I am going to explain that 1 comma 2,256.6 into 50. 62,830 is the answer. Next we have to calculate the distance of centroid from y-axis. We have to calculate rectangle is equals to breadth by 2 is equals to, we have breadth has 120 by 2 is equals to 60. Next we have to calculate the distance of centroid from y-axis for semicircle. 120 plus 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi. 120 plus we have radius has 50 divided by 3 pi. 141.22 we have got the answer. Next we have to calculate about the triangle. Okay. Next we have to calculate 1 by 3 into 120 we got 40. Next we have to calculate about circle. 120 by 2 is equals to 60. Now at last we have to multiply area and of x cube. Next we have to calculate this. What is area? 12,000 into 60. 720,000. Next what is the area? 3,927.99 into 1,041 into 22. We got 56.9. Next what is the area? 36,000. 36,000 into 40. 1,444,000. Next what we have got? 1,256.6 into 60. 75,396. We got this much. Now